Welcome to another episode of Mathematics for Lower Grades. In this lesson, we are going to look at word problems on addition, or word problems involving addition. Before, let's look at solutions for assignments from previous lesson. So from previous lesson, we learned how to add numbers, 4-digit numbers, 5-digit numbers, or more than 3-digit numbers in columns. So if you are given these numbers, how to arrange them in columns using their place values. We learned that. In this lesson, we are going to talk more on adding numbers in a word problem form, or when the word problem is given, how to get the numbers out of the problem and then add them. Okay, when objects of two or more collections are put together in a problem, it means we are adding them. So in a problem, you can hear Kwesi has 2 candies and 4 biscuits. What is the total number of candies and biscuits Kwesi has? So what is the total number? It means we are putting candies and biscuits together. It's collections of candy and then biscuits. We are putting them together. So we are finding the total number of whatever candies and biscuits Kwesi is having. Also, when you hear there is an increase in number taking place in a problem, it means we are adding. For instance, you can hear in a problem, Amma has 14 stamps. Her friend gave her 12 stamps. How many stamps does Amma have in all? So there is an increase in the number of stamps Amma is having now. Yes, so these are some of the keywords you are going to hear in a word problem form. You are going to hear something like sum. You are going to hear something like total number of. You are going to hear something like in all. You're also going to hear something like all together. Yes, so these are some of the keywords you are going to hear in a word problem involving additions. Let's solve some examples. So our first question we are solving is, the girls had 3 weeks to sell tickets for their play. In the first week, they sold 75 tickets. In the second week, they sold 108 tickets. And in the third week, they sold 210 10 tickets. How many tickets did they sell in all? Did you hear that? How many tickets did they sell in all? So you write down the numbers we are seeing from the question. They had 3 weeks to sell tickets. In the first week, they sold 75 tickets. So we can say tickets sold in the first week. So tickets sold in the first week equals, from the question, the tickets sold in the first week is 75. Tickets sold in the second week equals 108. Then tickets sold in the third week, 3 weeks. So the last week they sold, last week they were able to sell 210 tickets. So in all, how many tickets were they able to sell? So total number of tickets sold, total number of tickets sold will be equal to 75 plus 108 plus 210. And so 75 plus 108 plus 210 will give us what? So we can arrange these numbers in columns and then add them. So we have 75. Next number 108. Take note, 108, the 1 in 108, the place value of that one is hundreds. So we put that one here, put a 0 under the 7, and then the 8 follows. And we write 210. We add 5 plus 8 gives us 13. So 3 remainder 1. 3 remainder 1. Seven plus 1 gives us 8, plus 1 gives us 9. So we write out 9. 1 plus 2 gives us 3. We write out 3. So 75 plus 108 plus 210 gives us 393. Therefore, we are saying that 393 tickets, 393 tickets were sold in all. Okay, let's try another question. Mr. Sasu spent 450 Ghana cedis for petrol on Wednesday. He spent 125 Ghana cedis more than that on Thursday. How much did he spend on petrol in those 2 days? So on Wednesday he spent 450 Ghana cedis. So petrol spent on Wednesday, petrol spent on Wednesday equals Ghana cedis 450. Ghana cedis. So from the question, he is spending 125 more than this amount on Thursday. So if we want to know the amount of petrol he spent on Thursday, we have to add 125 Ghana cedis to the amount of petrol he spent on Wednesday. So petrol spent on Thursday equals Ghana cedis 450 plus. Okay, so the amount he spent on petrol on Thursday, we are adding 450 Ghana cedis, 225 Ghana cedis. So 450 Ghana cedis plus 125 Ghana cedis will give us 575 Ghana cedis. That will be the amount he spent on petrol for Thursday. So Ghana cedis 575. Therefore, if we want to find the amount he spent on petrol for both days, this is what the question is asking us to do. We need to add 450 Ghana cedis to 575 Ghana cedis. So the money spent for petrol on both days, we are adding 450 Ghana cedis to 575 Ghana cedis. Adding these two numbers, we are getting 1025 Ghana cedis. So this is the amount he spent for petrol on both days. So in summary, if you have a word problem involving addition, so the keywords you are going to hear are more than. If a number is more than another number, to get the other number, we add, like we saw in this question. The money spent for petrol on Thursday is 125 more than what was spent on Wednesday. We are adding 125 to that one of what we spent on Wednesday to get what we spent on Thursday. Another keyword you can hear is in all. How much did he spend in all? What is the sum of? In total. What is the total number of tickets they sold in all together? If you are hearing words like this, you should know you are working on addition. Okay, so take these questions as your homework. The first question is, what is the sum of 4,703, 4,191, and 3,127? The second question is, find the number which is 124 greater than 326. And the last question is, if there are 9,569 males and 7,163 females in a town, find the population of the town. Find the number of males and females in the town. That's what the question is asking you to do. So solve these questions as your homework, and in our next lesson we are going to talk about subtraction of numbers. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and remember to stay safe.